Hi students, I wanted to take a quick moment to just walk you through how to get onto the Stanford Vape Prevention Unit. Some of you have had a hard time. You'll see I'm in the Google Classroom right here. This is the assignment. If I just click on this, it takes me to this page here. So we've got a couple options. You can click play all right here and it should start playing. Problem is this hasn't worked for everybody. So I'm going to go back. If that doesn't work, you can just click these over here one by one. All right. If you come over here and press this button, it'll put the loop playlist, so it'll just take you to the next one, one after another, one after another. If that still doesn't work, I would come up here to your search bar and I would put in this right here, vaping prevention. You'll see what happens. It probably will just pop up. And so what we have is all the same videos, although they're out of order. So you'd start with the intro, then find part 1, then find part 2. So you'll see part 1, part 2 is down here, part 3, part 4. It looks like part 4 is on there twice. Part 4 continued, part 5. And then there's the 2 other videos that they're asking you to watch, which if you can't get to those are the last 2. If you can't find them, then I wouldn't worry too much about it. But they are this one, How Juul Made Nicotine Go Viral, and Black Lives, Black Lungs. I believe there are questions for these videos, but the bulk of them are these 5 parts. So try this, try play all. If that doesn't work, try clicking the individual videos. If that doesn't work, try searching for it up here. Please let me know in the comments in this assignment, or just send me an email if you're still not able to access it, because I might need to check in with technology at school and see if there's some sort of a block on the Chromebooks. Okay, so that's it. Signing out. Hope you're all doing well. I'll talk with you soon. Bye.